So this is what it looks like in the winter time here. The Central Valley will have just a covering of fog. That down there is like Fresno, but up here it'll be nice and sunny and warm. And if you went down to to Fresno, Merced, or Madera, it'll just be all gray and foggy. She knows. Ginger knows. She's saying goodbye. Good girl. Okay, this is the first dog, the pick of the litter. This is always how it goes. The most expensive one, the pick of the litter, goes first. All right. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Ginger, Garlic, get out. One.